Stripe cakes can be the worst, so let's make one. Do you guys see my shirt? I don't know if you did Bloody Mary as a kid, but I know I did, and it totally reminds me of me and my sister doing it when we were little and being scared shitless. And it also brings back a lot of memories of how I used to torture my little sister all the time because I was just super mean. But what are older sisters for? Now grab your striped cake comb. I prefer metal. This one is by Esther Cakes. You could use plastic, but I definitely prefer metal. This part is super important. You want to fill in any air bubbles, gaps, whatever with buttercream and make sure that your stripes are as smooth as a baby's bottom. I mean like smooth. Now you're going to stick it in the freezer for 20 minutes. When you pull it out of the freezer, it should be like rock hard. I mean like put your finger in it, it's not indenting hard. Cut the tip of your piping bag the same width as your stripes. This will give you the perfect amount of buttercream so there's no excess and you're not scraping this bitch for an hour. You guys, meet my best friend, coffee. If you think that your stripes are smeary looking like this, it's probably not because your stripes are getting smaller. If you haven't been scraping for very long, it's probably because of the way you're holding your comb. So hold it outwards towards you and not inwards towards the cake so you're scraping and not smoothing. Now let's remove the upper lip of buttercream to get that sharp ass edge. I ruined some of my stripes. I should have done this before I did them, but whatever. Now let's fix the sadness we just created and we're done. What do you guys think?